Ready.
Oh, we in there? All right. Today is all about multi-gen homes. This house that we're gonna look at is the Brigham by Ashton Woods, and it's got a detached garage apartment with a full kitchenette. Make sure you guys stick around to the end because we're gonna cover everything that you need to know about pricing, cost of ownership, and even some crazy incentives that are being offered. Let's go. All right, let's take a look at this multi-gen Brigham floor plan by Ashton Woods. The configuration that we're gonna be looking at today is set up as a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. But a lot of you have reached out and you're asking for multi-gen homes, and that's what we're here to deliver to you today. So I'm gonna show you 2 different configurations of this home and what makes it special. Now, if you're new here, my name is Joey Guest with Team Real Local, your go-to real estate crew here in Central Florida and all of the Space Coast. And we have people just like you that reach out to us all the time. So if you're considering making a move, all you have to do is call or text us. I've got my number right here. Now, if you are ready to start exploring new construction homes, new neighborhoods, make sure you reach out to us first because we do have access to additional incentives through our builder relationships that you may be locked out of if you don't come with an agent on your first visit. Now, enough of that stuff. Let's get into this Brigham floor plan. The 4th bedroom configuration is one of the things that I want to show you. So if you've got the floor plan, which I'm going to be referencing throughout this video, this is actually going to show up on the floor plan as the dining room. So this is a structural option where you could add the wall here and turn this dining area into a 4th bedroom. Now it is a generous size room. It's about 14.5 by 14.5, full closet here. Nice 9.5 foot ceilings throughout the home. I love the big picture windows that they've got in the front of this room. And you'll notice that we're gonna see some of these same features throughout this entire floor plan. So I will point out, you do have 8-foot doors and 9.5 foot ceilings. This home is gonna be finished with vinyl plank flooring. You do have the option if you decided to build where you could get rid of the carpet and go solid surface throughout the home. So the 2nd bedroom, or bedroom 2 as it's referenced on the floor plan, is 12.4 by 10.8, so nice sized bedroom. And again, has these really nice picture windows in the front of the home. And this is gonna be the 2nd bathroom. Single sink vanity, quartz tops, wood shaker cabinets here, soft close, and then a tub shower combo. Now I mentioned this is a 2.5 bathroom. You do have an option to configure this home with just 2 bathrooms, but I'm gonna show you what the half bathroom configuration is like in just a minute. So here's bedroom 3 as it's listed on the floor plan. This is gonna come in at 12.4 by 10.9, so it's almost a 12.5 by 11. Does have a single closet here, so this bedroom is gonna be slightly smaller than bedroom 2 that we saw up in the front. Now follow me this way. Let's go check out the kitchen and the main living space of this home before we go to that multi-gen garage apartment. So nice open layout here, big kitchen island. You've got the quartz tops. This one does have a tile backsplash, vented range hood, touch screen cooktop here. You have a pantry in the corner. And then of course, this is where the refrigerator would go, little coffee station. And then you have the built-in GE appliances here with your oven and your microwave. This one is pre-wired with the pendant lights, but you can see they have installed the pendant lights here. And then throughout the living space, you're gonna have recessed lighting. You've got 3 in the dining area, 3 in the kitchen, 1 in the living room. If you decide that you wanna build from scratch, these are the types of things that you're gonna have the options of updating. This home that we're in today is actually an inventory home. That means that Ashton Woods built this as a spec, so the way it's finished is the way you see it. Why would you buy spec versus building new? There's lots of different reasons. We're gonna cover some of those in a minute. A lot of it comes down to, honestly, pricing and incentives and whether you're looking for a deal or whether you're just really looking to get 100% of what you want out of the house. And there's pros and cons to each one of those. We'll keep going on that in just a minute, but let me show you, since we're here, this is where that half bathroom is gonna be configured. Very simple, pedestal sink and toilet. And then right here is your laundry room. So you've got dual outswing doors with the washer and dryer. Let's start working our way to the back of the home here. We can take a look at the primary master suite. I'm gonna show you that multi-gen apartment in just a minute. But let's talk a little bit more about a to-be-built home versus a spec home. A home like this, that's a spec home completely finished, the builders are much more incentivized to sell homes like this because the home's done, it's got a certificate of occupancy, and they want to get these off the books. So homes like this, we're seeing discounts from the builders, but we're also negotiating big price discounts for a lot of our clients, and there's some crazy incentives that are being thrown on top of that you can use towards paying your closing cost or even get a lower than market interest rate. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about interest rates here in just a minute, but let me show you this bathroom. Well, first off here, you're gonna have the water closet, or what I like to call is the think tank. So you can go in there, close the door, get right with your thoughts. Dual sink vanity here, quartz top. I do like how there's a window in here so you get a lot of natural sunlight in the bathroom. And then a really big walk-in party shower here and walk-in closet. So let's talk a little bit more about incentives. I know I kind of mentioned it. You can get a significantly lower interest rate right now compared to what market is. At the time that we're making this video, interest rates are somewhere around 6.25%, 6.3%. We've recently had clients secure interest rates, fixed rate loans on homes like this under 5%, even lower than that. I'm gonna talk a little bit more about that as we keep going, but this is going to be a coat closet. This is gonna be your air handler. I'm gonna take you into the garage now and show you the configuration, and we're gonna look at where the multi-gen suite fits into this. So this configuration here is the 2-car garage. You're gonna have dual sub panels here. It is pre-wired for your EV charger, and then your hot water tank is gonna also be located in the garage. Now this is a hybrid style hot water tank, hot water heater. And what that does is that takes some of the warm air from the garage, sucks it into the water heater, helps heat the water more efficiently, and also helps circulate the air in the garage. It's not gonna cool the garage, but it is gonna move the hot air around a little bit so it doesn't get quite as hot in here over the Florida summers. Now what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you a 3-car garage configuration with a multi-gen garage apartment.
I just wanna be in the zone.
All right, now come out back, because this is the part that I know you've been waiting to see, the multi-gen suite. It's gonna be right off of the patio here, the lanai off the back of the house. And one of the things that I wanna point out on this specific model that we're looking at compared to the home that you're probably gonna buy is this is the door for the in-law suite. On the model home, because it was built this way, the door is actually gonna be flipped on your home, and so it's gonna be closer to the alleyway there. So it's gonna be a little bit more private, so you're not gonna have to necessarily share this area with your guests. One of the things that I do wanna point out that's unique about these is the garage apartment actually has its own private address. So mail, emergency services, there's gonna be a differentiator between the main address and the garage apartment. So that'll add another little bit layer of privacy and security as well. I am gonna get more into those incentives we talked about so you guys fully understand that, but I wanna take you up here first, show you around this multi-gen apartment. We're also gonna talk about pricing, cost of ownership here in Sunbridge. So why don't you head upstairs and I'll meet you there. So this apartment is fully finished and fully turnkey standalone from the main house. Now this is positioned on top of a 3-car garage. I know the garage configuration I showed you just a moment ago was a 2-car. This is gonna be configured on top of the 3-car garage, and this is gonna add almost an additional 1,000 square feet of living space. You can see here, it's got a fully functional built-out kitchen, same quartz countertops that we saw in the main home, tile backsplash. You have the option to finish this as extravagant or as basic as you'd like. But you can see Ashton Woods has brought a lot of the same level of finishes into this garage apartment as we saw in the main home, with the flush mount lighting, the vinyl plank floors, quartz countertops, the single tub sink. And there is something else that's kind of unique that you can also add, which is not necessarily shown here on the floor plan, but let me show you the bathroom first. You're gonna have a really nice size bathroom, single sink vanity, but nice big vanity, tub shower combination. And then right here in the linen closet, you actually have an option of configuring that as a washer and dryer. So you can put a stackable washer dryer unit in there. Now this is gonna be the bedroom. This is gonna come in at about 12.5 by 11. So it's a good sized bedroom, does have a walk-in closet. So you have options, right? You're probably wondering, what could you do with this suite? I know some of you would potentially rent this out. You might move a family member into here. So what we did was we actually went online and looked up rental rates here in Weslyn Park right now, early 2026. And these garage apartments, depending on the level of finish, depending on some of the features they have, these are renting anywhere between about $1,500 on the low end to $1,900 on the high end. Now, this is going to include the high-speed fiber internet, which is going to be part of your HOA fees. So the resident in your garage apartment is going to have power, they're going to have internet, it's going to be fully turnkey. So speaking of HOA fees, how much does it cost to live in Sunbridge, specifically Weslyn Park? The HOA here is $138 a month, and that is going to include that fiber internet. Now there is a CDD in Weslyn Park, which is part of Sunbridge. Sunbridge's CDD of $1,880 per year. Now cost and pricing on a home like this. This Brigham that we looked at, the way that it's finished out here, traditionally has come in somewhere around $725,000 to maybe $750,000, depending on level of finish. The good news is there's about to be a significant savings in the cost of this home. I can't tell you too much about it now, but if you are interested in that, definitely reach out. We'd love to help you with that and get you that information. Now, as far as incentives go, at the time that we're making this video, you can get up to $100,000 in flex cash. Now that money can be used for a variety of different things, but what we're seeing most clients opt to use that money towards is closing costs. So it's minimizing the out-of-pocket expense on the purchase of the home and then getting a lower interest rate fixed for the life of the loan. We're seeing rates right now with these incentives coming in around 4.99, or if you want to be a little bit more aggressive and get a rate in the 3.99 range, there are some options for that as well. You just have to understand that sometimes those are going to be an ARM and that rate could adjust. It's very important that you understand the terms of an ARM mortgage. If you get one, if you guys want to see some scenarios on that, payment comparisons, we can help you with that as well. Again, I've got my number right here. And if you want to see everything that Sunbridge has to offer, you can just check out this video right here. I'll see you there.